Rotator cuff is not really doing its job properly, that deltoid will be asked to take on that load or take on that responsibility to stabilize the shoulder. So then naturally the shoulder will get stiff. Hey guys, it's Jarek here from MMT. Today we got Ninja here on the table.
Hello.
We're gonna look at Ninja's shoulder, okay? So if you guys have been following along, I've been doing a series on grapplers or combat athletes and types of conditions that potentially you may run in with. So with the shoulder, I'll show you a few lines regarding if someone's kind of really extended in that position through a sprawl or just some of your scrambles, okay? So we'll get straight into it. First one is gonna hit that deltoid, okay? So I like to kind of fit my kind of fist just off that acromion and really just doing holds. A lot of these deltoid muscles can be very tight in some of your scrambles or just hand fighting, or what we call it.
Feels good, connected.
Yeah.
Straight up.
And I can take this all the way through his whole arm into the cocobrachialis, into the tricep tendons as well, okay? Yeah, it's important to have that shoulder mobility through your hand fights and through your scrambles. So we call like the underhook, the overhook. You want to be able to use that position effectively, and your arm muscles, your biceps are always kind of involved in that position.
Wow, it's strong. You're probably not using that much pressure, but it's really connected.
Yeah, sometimes it doesn't need that much pressure.
Yeah.
Like it's even twitching right there.
Yeah, I feel that.
Huge. So someone might feel like referrals in this position right now, like into the elbow, wrist, forearm. Just like that.
Sorry for interrupting your video, guys, but I want to talk to you about the MMT Online Academy. So you might have been looking at Ninja and I doing our stuff for a long time now, thinking, how good would it be to work at MMT? But you might be overseas. This is your chance to get exclusive content, updates from us every single day to make you a better practitioner, more new customers, better results, and skyrocket your income. So if you want to be on the inner sanctum, get into the Academy. All you got to do is dedicate 5 minutes a day to making yourself better, and it's just 28 bucks per month. How good's that? $7 a week. Let's go!
Next one, I'm just going to use my thumb and kind of get a bit more fine-tuned with this, with some of the fibers here. So this is more holds. I can do the same thing, kind of glide it through. Does that feel all right, Ninj?
Yeah, that's fine. It's connected, but it's not too much problems for me there.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, it's coming into some good stuff now, actually.
Yeah, you can feel it.
Yeah. Wow, it's good.
Yeah, previously I've dealt with some shoulder stuff, especially during my wrestling. I can really feel that it tightens up. So getting this work done, it helps just release that area. So when I'm in those extended positions, I don't feel vulnerable.
Yeah.
Nice. That was just kind of the middle side of things. You can also work the back side of the deltoid, the rear delt. Just going to work up just like that. Actually feel a little bit on this side too.
Whoa, that's good.
Twitch again.
You got no idea you got tightness in these spots, do you?
Yeah, yeah.
Till you get it worked. And
I feel like the deltoid it has a lot of tolerance to load.
Yeah.
So it's hard to feel if it's getting tight or not. But yeah, like you said, once you get it worked on, it feels like, oh, this is what needs into it.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to the front, you know.
Yeah.
Historically, I've done stuff like when they're laying on their backs, but in this position, it's a bit more softer. It's more relaxed. I'm able to sink in a little bit more better.
That's it. bicep tendon a bit there.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a good one.
Now we're going to do some active work. If we really want to encourage movement in this area, I can actually grab his arm, pin some of these areas, just like this, make sure it's nice and relaxed. I go in. Someone that's feeling restricted in this type of motion, I can bring it up like that. Yeah. So it's in a different position. I just do the same thing.
Feels good. Whoa.
Yeah, another reason why the deltoids can get tight, it might be poor activity in the rotator cuff. If the rotator cuff is not really doing its job properly, that deltoid will be asked to take on that load or take on that responsibility to stabilize the shoulder. So then naturally the shoulder will get stiff.
Yeah.
So I can kind of use this as like a leverage, like I pinned it and I'm just pulling the arm towards my thumb like that. I can twist it if I need to.
Whoa, so good.
It'll roll off there.
Yeah, it's good.
Sometimes Ninja can even put his hand just like that. I'm supporting the elbow, same thing. It's like a hybrid between like him actively holding on and me using the elbow as support.
Yeah.
Like that.
Wow.
So it simulates that kind of extended position that you'd see if someone were to go for a takedown, they get sprawled on and they're extended. Very, very similar movement. We want to treat in these positions because we get caught in these positions.
Yeah.
That's done. If you feel if you feel like this resonates with you, come check us out. We'll fix you up.
Get it done.